first stop here is the junk bins. This is where everything's 100 to 300 yen. Find some good stuff in here. I'm looking for the Ava bin. Since I couldn't find it in my last toy hunting video, and I don't know if you saw that when I passed over it like 3 times. Still not seeing Evangelion. I know they have it. I've dug through it here before. Maybe they're like, the Ava store's gone. We're just going to throw it all out. All the Kamen Rider stuff's over here on the sides, I think. Sentai, Kamen Rider, What's Nuts, Tokusatsu, Blokubatsu. Ooh. Big mixture of stuff over here. I found some random Ava stuff and it's just like miscellaneous. Hey, it's a vintage Asuka. Found a couple little bits in here. Some kaiju and stuff in here too. What's this guy? Very colorful. This is a Dragon Quest thing.
Some Gundams, some Zaka.
There
Dinosaurs,
you go.
classic.
Brachiosaurus. Kamen Rider. Not Kamen Rider. That's cool though. Sentai robot Majigger. What is that? Is that a Pokemon?
I couldn't tell you.
This is my favorite Pokemon. Ducka.
It's a pretty good choice.
Ducka bitch. That's her name. I don't collect Gundam, but I like these Micro Wars things.
They look like Diaclone almost.
Yeah. I think they're exactly the same scale as the modern Diaclones, which I guess are the same scale as the vintage Diaclones. Common Sliders. I found it, the Holy Grail. What the fuck is this? Giant alien.
Hey, look out.
How much is this giant alien? 300 yen.
Ooh, got some swamps.
I kind of want this.
300. Hey, he's shiny.
Yeah, he's very shiny. Sorry, alien. If you're still here when I leave, and I have a larger bag, I might go for you. I found the Evangelion basket. Yay! Look, I did it, everybody.
Congratulations.
Thank you. How appropriate. Evangelion Cafe keychain. That's kind of neat. 100 yen. I like that. Man, I bet the... Oh god, these things. The one in Akihabara had so much more stuff in it.
Any Misato stuff?
No Misato.
No, never. Never.
What you looking at here?
Digimon. Bootleg Pokemon.
All the cool kids are doing the Digimons. Chris probably passed by us, didn't realize we were here. Now I gotta call him. Oh, speak of the devil, as soon as I was about to go look for him. You got it backwards.
I didn't want to let everyone see Oswald.
Well, welcome back, Chris. I found the Ava junk bin finally, but it's pretty garbage here.
The 80s plastic model kit area is pretty great.
All right, not much in the junk bin. Jean-Luc found something. Chris is here. We're gonna look at the real stuff now. Okay, here's the Tokusatsu corner over here. Tokusatsu corner. All the Kamen Rider and
I wish it was the
Godzillas.
Tonkatsu corner.
Tonkatsu corner. You guys didn't get to see our delicious Chinese lunch. Thanks to Jean-Luc for that delicious Chinese lunch.
No problem.
Hey, it's Purple Ranger. That's not Jan Person.
Not Jan Person.
Since our last toy hunt, Chris is obsessed with Jan Person.
That
I've
is
become
correct.
obsessed with Iban. And Jean-Luc was already
I was already
knowledgeable about all
obsessed.
this stuff.
Yes.
I do like this bicycle.
I think that's Kamen Rider X-Aid.
See, he's teaching us.
Is it a bicycle or like a wheelchair?
It's a bicycle with a
attachment?
head. Is he transformed into a bicycle?
I think it's part of his armor. I actually didn't watch the whole series.
You lie, you don't know everything. My favorite new character is from the Winspector. Yeah, Bikel.
Gosh.
When you
Bikel.
can't remember, it's always Winspector.
Winspector!
Always.
Wait, is Winspector the police and fire and whatever?
No, that's the one right after that.
The one with the fire, they had a few on
Here's that.
Metapod or something.
Here's the Jet Jaguar I saw for beef for almost half the price they're selling at the Godzilla store. Right above it, for anyone that wants to know.
And get it.
Oh, and get us.
That's a pretty good
14.
price.
Man,
Yeah, these are all prestige.
I almost like grabbed that.
yeah, we should.
Doesn't have the tag, which is
Look,
alright.
tags.
It's coming off
Hey,
anyway.
this one's more expensive. Why is that?
Does it have the tag?
Yeah.
Sure does.
So is this one.
Oh, does it?
Yep.
Oh.
There's Natsukashi time from the,
Yes, if you
what was that, mid-90s?
yes,
I
if you were
guess?
a teenager or young adult in
Yeah.
the mid to late 90s,
That was
this is
the stuff.
this is your first taste of collectible figurines that weren't made for kids.
Yeah.
Ooh, this little fat Ultra 7.
There's, I see Ultra 80 on there.
Ultra 80.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of Kamen Rider.
He's so common.
He's so common. That's why they should change his name to Kamen Rider.
That's pretty great. That's pretty great. These are, ooh,
This is good.
these are
Let's
very
touch their
good.
penises together.
Musical.
I really like these characters. I've never watched Triple Fighter, but I like their designs.
Yeah. Didn't we see
This
them
is-
at the Ultraman
yeah, they were at the
show?
Ultraman show. That's right. Oh, hey, there's Ultra.
He's more expensive.
He's more expensive. He's gotten valuables.
I don't know. Zethone for $13. That's pretty great.
Should go for it.
Model kit.
This is the beetle. We were just having a conversation about these. This is the bad guy beetle. I know that because I watched a whole
Oh.
episode about this yesterday. I really like out of all the Metal Heroes, I like the ones that are kind of like turquoise colors. Hey, an Ultra 7 mask. I think this is a mask.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Oh no, it's not. It's like a wall light thing.
And the larva.
What do we got here? Godzilla ground assault. What? What is this? It's like a Godzilla diorama with like a Jeep. And he's like munching on a boat or something.
Wait. The Jeep is the main.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
that's
Jeep
right.
is the
this
main.
diorama. That's great. For all those.
Oh, okay, because it's like a car company. It's like a toy car company that makes
Okay,
these.
that makes sense then. That's funny.
Why do they always got to make Kakaida look so weird in all these, like,
Yeah.
Early
this one-
2000s
oh,
toys.
You know what? This is like the manga style.
ah, okay. I mean, I
It's
don't
got those kind of
dislike it. It's
bell-bottom-
just
bell-bottom pants.
a little bit.
Check it out. Gappa.
Gappa,
But he's 22. Not bad.
Gappa. Do you find anything good over here?
I see.
And the
Nothing good.
superior.
Oh, jabba,
Plastic one.
Sofabi. You mean Sofabi?
Yeah, that's a kind of plastic.
Yeah. Do you ever see them for this price? No.
They're usually like that.
Not anymore. When was the last time you saw one? 5 years ago?
Check it out.
Oh, you got Balton.
It's the cool
Wait,
Balton, the second Balton.
Balton Sazing.
Yeah, he's the second version.
The longer, skinnier,
Yeah, he's way
Phallic.
creepier looking.
phallic Balton.
He's the one who has shields. He can shield himself from the Spectrum.
Mecha Guard.
Close in. There's the Ultra 7.
Gargilla. What'd you get?
What do you think's in this?
I don't know. Did you bring a box cutter? Oh, hey! Our
there
favorite.
he is.
There he is, Obi-Wan again. Every time we go hunting, we find his fucking Obi-Wan.
That's funny.
He's gotta be our mascot now.
Oh, here's that one Jedi dude. He's not bad.
Coleslaw.
Coleman. Coleman? His name is Coleman? Dude, what happened? What happened, Lucas? Yeah, with the multitude of planets and species, someone is bound to be named. Ooh, Sevenger.
Is this oh, I thought it was a diecast.
That's a mini claw.
Mini claw. Sevenger's a cool guy. Cowboy Bebop stuff. Just a sticker.
Dude.
Oh yeah, the sheepdog.
And there
Angel.
they are.
Yeah, I guess the Evangelion store is gone.
The famous,
hey, here we go.
team.
Here's where all the Ava.
I'm just gonna leave this area so I don't throw up.
This is our Ava store. This is probably better than the actual Ava store, to be honest. We got our Evangelion vibrators.
Oh, I want to eat out of an angel bento.
Our original photo stand clock of Asuka. This is a nice Asuka for 400.
Wait, are you implying that he was happy at the end of the movie?
No. Did you find a good thing?
I don't know how.
They have some Knights of the Slice.
Oh. Speaking of the Knights of the Slice.
I have that the Spectre one or whatever the dark one is.
Look, there you go. Nikki and Jesse. Knights of the Slice chilling at Surugaya. Ooh. I love me some Ray Q. She's like standing, floating. Look at these nerds over here talking about stuff.
Ah, nerding it up.
Whoa, look at this! How did I miss this a second ago? I don't know. It's the Sachio lunchbox.
I just said that. I
Did you say that?
Out of an angel lunchbox.
Oh, you didn't pick it up and show me.
I thought you were going up to it.
No. Wait, you also didn't see the milk clear bottle. One of you has to grab it. I have no more hands.
What is a milk clear bottle?
Yes, what is a milk clear bottle?
Yeah, they milk
Sorry,
it
back
to
up.
your
Try that again.
clear.
Oh, it's just got the Ava like
Yeah.
nerve logo.
Yeah, in the Ava store, it's probably like $5,000.
See, Japanese English learners, milk clear bottle. What?
This is a. I don't need a lunchbox. Who needs anything, really?
Whoa! Oh, dude. Is it missing anything? No.
What's that?
That isn't that something to do with the damage?
What is 800 yen?
Box.
Yeah, I don't know. A lot of
800
these.
yen off, maybe.
This says Biki. This last one. This is yen and then Biki.
Yeah, see the back.
So it must have gone down in price,
Yeah,
or
this
they
is-
take it off.
I just got this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this one.
Then we can combine
Is that a good
forces.
price?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I've seen these like in auctions go up to like 120.
Wait. I guess since you already have one, do you want this?
No. I'm actually currently bidding on a 3-pack set.
Oh, okay.
It's all yours, man.
Cool.
Nice find. That son of a bitch.